I count the steps, I check the lock, trace a circle with every thought, wash my hands till the silence comes. But it never stays, it's never gone. They call it quirky, neat and clean, but no one sees the war in me. Obsessions rising like a flood, compulsions just to feel enough. What if I let go even once? What if I stayed when fear runs? They say there's therapy, a way to heal, so I breathe and make it real. One step freer, though my hands still shake. One thought clearer, though my heart still breaks. No more hiding, no disguise, just me standing in the light. It's not perfect, but it's mine. This fragile, trembling climb. I'm not cured, but I believe. Every fear I face, I leave. One step freer. Pages filled with words I feared. I read them slowly, shed the tears. No ritual to clean the stain, just presence in